Hello. A lot of you has asked me about how to create a fade in or fade out, right? And that function is in Garageband is called automation. So I will briefly show you how to do that. It's not difficult. What you have to do is you have to press the short command A. Don't have to press command A or anything, just A. And as you will see here, you get a little drop down menu. Okay. Most useful is the volume, so you can fade in or fade out, but you can also, depending on the instrument here, you can have other controls. You can pan, sending the audio from left to right, stuff like that. Just at the very end here in my little piece, I want to create a fade out, both the strings and the fingerstyle bass, and leaving only the percussion here at the end. So look at this little line and just mark where, click it, it turns yellow. If you click it again, you get a little dot, all right? And I will click it again where I want it to be completely silent, and you can just fade. You can drag these as well. So something like that. You can also have multiple. So let's say you wanted to increase the volume and then fade out, for example. You can do that as well. Okay, so both the bass and the strings. This is just a super easy fade out. So it will sound like this. Okay, so that's exactly what I wanted. Okay, so remember, you hit A. If you hit A again, you'll hide all the automation functions. Okay, so hit A, you get these lines here, mark the lines, click it, that's it. Okay, bye for now.